Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick mail call um, from John Tanzillo. Um, for those of you that know, I did have John, I got the wrong knife. I did have John do some 3D prints for me, so we're going to take a look at these boxes done nice and secure. So this is for my town part on the end of the layout, which probably in the next update, hopefully this weekend. Looks like it's going to be a rainy weekend, so that should be some layout time. So, like this. Okay. I got it. Okay. So, this is one of the sides, and these are the little windows for it. Um, to my bigger downtown kind of building that goes next to the theater and the hotel that I did. Um, so, this is very cool indeed. I'll probably do something with the maybe do something with the sides a little bit. Probably when I get out of the bag, I'll see the detail. Feels like there's stone or brick or something on there. So put this behind me on the layout. Whoa, here's everything. Yeah. Tell you what, I'm gonna pull up a stool. I actually didn't plan this. Impromptu. Okay. Oh, okay. That could be like the center of the building because he had to do this in two sections. Um, yeah, it could be the center of this. This is gonna be a bigger building. This is nice. This is a very nice. This will be the front. Yeah, this will be the front. The way he designs these is so beautiful. This is really nice. Um, so yeah, we'll figure out that little. Okay, so what I'll do now, I see how this goes together. Now that first piece I showed you is for this other side of this building. This building's pretty big, and then there's this building, and I can either do this with it. I'm going to assume that's the way it is, or I can either do. I think. Well, no, I guess that's not how that works. Okay, I guess I'm wrong. So I guess yeah, this is how. Yep, this is how this will go together like this. The way that's go together, this probably will be one separate building, different color. This will be a different color, and they'll look like like two different kind of type. They're same, but they'll be a little bit different color, or it could be all the same. I have not decided that yet, but this is a really big building, and I just dropped it on the keyboard. Very cool there. And the details that he makes with these are really incredible. Like should be strip mall, and the other doors and windows are for the strip mall. So I think I probably have a top for this somewhere. May or may not have. If not, no big deal. I will definitely get some styrene to make a top for this. This is going to be the strip mall. It's a stone like the building Vinny had for Wickenburg. That's a very nice detail. I'm going to decide what color to paint this stone. Um, and of course, this is corrugated. So this is more of a newer structure, which will be a couple various buildings. Um, this will be a bigger, maybe like dollar store, maybe like a Mr. Donuts is what I'm thinking, which is an old place, maybe a Chinese fast takeout. And this is like we'll call it a pawn shop. That makes perfect sense. Something like that. I'll make my little signs and um, that will be perfect. I don't think there's anything else in here. He packed pretty. Should have here. That's pretty much everything. All right. Very cool. So thank you, John. Um, I'll send your check this weekend when we do our budget. My wife always does that every Sunday, so that will be dropped in the mail for you. This is really good. So if you ever need 3D prints done, you've seen Vinny have a couple done by him. You've seen his station that he has. It's amazing. This is really good. So I will post a link to John Tanzillo's channel. You can get his information down below. But this is very, very nice indeed. Really do like this. It's going to be very cool. It's going to complete the main street of that town, and then there's a few things I got to do to the town, but this will speed up the process a little bit once I decide what I'm going to paint it. So um, this is very cool indeed. So thank you very much, John, and I really appreciate. Those are very actually well priced. I was kind of didn't I didn't know. I was going by what the scratch build was for Vinny, but of course, being a scratch build, there's more time in it. There's more products put into it and details, and so. But this was a good price because really for the value of a couple of these kits, but not to how you want it or specified or customized. It comes out to you save a little bit. That strip mall was a really good price for a kit like this. So um, so yeah, just email John if you have something in mind. I kind of had an idea and gave him some general ideas, but he really did pretty mostly design what I was looking for. So um, I really do appreciate it. So once again, guys, that's the buildings from John Tanzillo, and maybe a layout update coming this weekend, guys. So I'll catch you then.